So you're thinking of moving to Hermosa Beach. 3 things to think about when it comes to Hermosa Beach. Number 1, price. This is a beach community. It can be a little bit more on the expensive side than other parts of Los Angeles. You can check out the median price at any time online on a lot of different resources. But also location. Hermosa Beach has 2 distinct locations. There's west and there's east. It might be called the sand section or East Hermosa. They both offer different amenities. Obviously, when you're west, you're close to the beach. And when you're east, you can have views of the beach. So deciding what's most important to you in location is critical. Third are schools. Hermosa Beach has an interesting makeup of how the schools are set up from what grades. So check that out online. You'll see the difference between the school system for elementary, middle school, and high school is broken up a little bit different, but you actually use the Miracosta Manhattan Beach High School for the high school in Hermosa Beach, which some people don't realize. And special note, Hermosa Beach does have that unique feature of living a casual lifestyle. It is a beach community. Even though the people can be extremely successful, extremely wealthy, you can't tell the difference between a beach bum and a bored billionaire. They all dress the same and look the same. Come on down to Hermosa Beach and check it out.